How do I turn off WhatsApp calls?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into a topic that has been frequently asked by many of you: how to turn off WhatsApp calls. This video will provide a straightforward step-by-step guide to help you manage your WhatsApp call settings.
Can you completely turn off WhatsApp calls?
The first thing we should clarify is that, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, WhatsApp does not provide a feature to completely disable all calls. However, there are several ways you can manage your call settings to reduce disturbances, which we'll cover in the next sections.
How to mute a specific contact on WhatsApp.
If you're looking to stop receiving calls from a specific contact, you can achieve this by muting that contact. Here's how. 1. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat with the contact you want to mute. 2. Tap on the contact's name at the top to open their profile information. 3. Scroll down and tap on the Mute Notifications option. 4. Choose the duration for which you want to mute the contact, and make sure to uncheck the Show Notifications box for complete silence. Remember, this will mute all notifications from this contact, not just calls.
How to block a contact on WhatsApp.
Another way to prevent receiving calls from a specific contact is by blocking them. Here's how you can do that. 1. Open the chat with the contact you wish to block. 2. Tap on the contact's name at the top to open their profile information. 3. Scroll down and tap on the Block Contact option. Note that blocking a contact will not only prevent them from calling you, but also from sending you messages.
Can you use Do Not Disturb (DND) mode?
Yes, you can. If you wish not to be disturbed by any calls or messages for a certain period, you can use your phone's Do Not Disturb mode. This will silence all calls and notifications, not only from WhatsApp but from other apps as well. Remember to check how to enable DND mode on your specific device, as the steps may vary. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to manage your WhatsApp call settings. Although you cannot completely turn off all WhatsApp calls, you can still manage your settings to ensure a peaceful and disturbance-free experience. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time.